Hello everyone. Today we want to show you how to take the backup from the VDR or VDR model is, as you can see here, JCY-1950 S-VDR. So second, please explain one by one.
Yes.
From the using the how to use the memory stick, how to insert, how to start to taking the backup. Explain one by one.
I will determine for USB only this date, only one. I will put USB inside and then copy and say a slot.
You can select anytime.
Anytime, yes, sir.
Okay.
This is Hawaii, and I can just this Hawaii 1900. This means is last update.
Okay.
Last update is 6 hours. I will set period.
You select image, audio, anything you need. You can select.
Yeah, you can select and cancel. This is this can be choice. This and image. This all. Our can do this copy only. This is working is
yes,
download.
Showing that
download after fully finished. Computer is this is transferred to computer using sir.
Okay. So this is I think enough because after this dialog will be completed. Yes. Maybe takes 5 to 10 minutes.
Yes, sir.
After that we can remove safely the actually the USB, as you can see here now is
yes,
loading the total. You see the total is 2 MB now, 3 MB is going from this.
Yes.
This is the volume, maximum volume, which is coming to be downloaded.
Yes, correct, sir.
When this download completed all, then it will come that safely. It will tell you that safely now you can remove the flash.
Yes.
And like this, we can take the backup very easily.
Yeah, very easy, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.